Hawaiian chicken cauliflower fried rice. This recipe has two main components, the marinated chicken and the pineapple cauli rice. Ingredients for the chicken marinade: shark sauce. 1 lb boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs, cut into 1-inch cubes. 1 to $4 cup low-sodium soy sauce, or coconut aminos for paleo whole 30. 1 to $4 cup pineapple juice, reserved from the can of pineapple. 2 to 3 Tbsp honey or brown sugar, or sugar-free substitute like erythritol. 1 Tbsp fresh ginger, minced, or 1 to $2 Tbsp ground ginger. 2 cloves garlic, minced, for the cauliflower rice. 1 Tbsp olive oil or sesame oil. 1 to 2 medium yellow onion. Diced 1 to 2 carrots, shredded or diced 2 cloves garlic, minced 12 Oz. Bag frozen riced cauliflower, or about 3 cups fresh riced. 1 cup pineapple chunks, canned or fresh. 2 eggs, lightly beaten, optional. 2 Tbsp soy sauce or coconut aminos. 1 to $2 Tbsp sesame oil. For finishing, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 green onions, sliced. For garnish, 1 to $4 cup cashews or macadamia nuts. Chopped, optional for crunch. Instructions: 1. Marinate the chicken. In a medium bowl, combine the chicken cubes, soy sauce, aminos, pineapple juice, honey, sugar, ginger, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Stir to coat the chicken well. Cover and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours for maximum flavor. 2. Cook the chicken. Remove the chicken from the marinade, reserving the marinade liquid. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add 1 Tbsp of oil or non-stick spray. Add the chicken. Do not overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is browned and cooked through. Internal temperature of 165 degrees Celsius, 74 degrees Celsius. Remove the cooked chicken and set it aside. 3. Cook the cauliflower fried rice. Add the remaining oil to the same skillet over medium-high heat. Add the diced onion and carrots. Sauté for about 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Add the remaining 2 cloves of minced garlic, if using, and cook for another minute until fragrant. Push the vegetables to the side of the pan. If using eggs, pour the beaten eggs into the cleared space. Gently scramble until cooked, then break them up and incorporate them with the vegetables. Add the riced cauliflower to the pan. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until the cauliflower is tender but not mushy. 4. Combine and finish. Pour the reserved marinade liquid into the pan and let it simmer for a minute to reduce slightly. Stir in the cooked chicken, pineapple chunks, and 2 Tbsp of soy sauce, aminos. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until everything is heated through. Remove from heat. Drizzle with 1 to $2 Tbsp sesame oil, if using, and stir. Taste and add salt and pepper if needed. Serve immediately, garnished with sliced green onions and chopped nuts. Pro tips for the best Hawaiian cauli rice. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook the chicken and the cauli rice in batches if your pan is too small. Overcrowding leads to steaming instead of browning, which prevents the fried texture and flavor. High heat is key for the veggies. Cook the cauliflower rice on medium-high heat to help evaporate excess moisture and prevent a soggy dish. Use ground chicken. You can substitute the cubed chicken breast thighs with 1 lb of ground chicken for a quicker cook time. Add the ground chicken after the onions and carrots, brown it, then proceed with the rest of the recipe.